Witness nature's majesty. Ever wondered what pure freedom looks like? Imagine a vibrant parrot, wings ablaze, soaring through a lush garden. It's a dance of nature, a spectacle of color against emerald leaves. Picture this magnificent bird perched gracefully on a branch, surrounded by towering trees and blooming flowers. It's a moment of pure serenity, a reminder of nature's beauty. Ready to escape the ordinary? Subscribe now and let nature's wonders inspire you daily. Share this with a friend who needs a dose of paradise.